A phrase that I've heard a lot has been, the world needs more Grinnellians. And I've thought a lot about what that means. It means we support one another. It means we support them. And so many of you are supporting them through your giving, and I want to thank you. Thank you to each and every class, whether you created a scholarship or an internship. You are making possible for the next generation what you continue to benefit from today. Joining me in thanking you are just a few of our amazing students, some of my amazing colleagues here at Grinnell. Have a wonderful weekend.
Hi, my name is Princess Joseph. I will be in the graduating class of 2025 from Grinnell. Last summer, I was a recipient of the Jonathan Higgins Class of 1980 internship in environmental conservation. We were engaged in doing plant surveys for projects that the Trust was pursuing, insect surveys in different parts of the island, establishing a new hiking trail, which the Trust planned to put an education center on. And I was able to accompany the Department of Natural Resources, which is a very close partner of the National Trust, on many bird surveys. Overall, this was an amazing experience, and I'm very grateful that I was able to spend the time in Montserrat. I think that there are many lessons and skills that I will be able to carry from my experience with the Montserrat National Trust into a future career, potentially in conservation or natural resource management.
I learned years ago that access without support is not the same thing as opportunity. Since the early 1980s, Grinnell's need-blind admission policy has ensured that students are admitted to the college without regard for their financial circumstances. What makes what we do at Grinnell special is that we meet 100% of every student's demonstrated financial need. Historically underrepresented students who qualify for admission to Grinnell should not have to be concerned about their families being able to afford the cost of attendance. We help underwrite the costs associated with education at Grinnell through a no-loan financial aid package. If you have already made a gift to this commitment, thank you. And if you're considering such a gift, I hope you will help us turn access into opportunity for future Grinnellians.
Hi, I'm William Officer. I'm a graduate of the class of 2024, currently majoring in computer science and mathematics, and I'd like to express my gratitude for the Daniel Fulmer 2005 scholarship. Without the Daniel Fulmer Scholarship, I wouldn't be able to take advantage of the many great opportunities here at Grinnell, whether that's the dedicated professors, the rigorous academic environment, and the very small, tight-knit community that's helpful for building a very strong character that you can then take into the future with you. As a senior at Grinnell College, I'll be moving on from the college and eventually moving on to take on my own aspirations and take the lessons I've learned from Grinnell.
You've just had the opportunity to hear the experience of two of our amazing students. Those students and other Grinnell students are supported by the generosity of alumni like you. Welcome back to campus. Thank you for coming back for reunion, and thank you for your continued generosity and support of Grinnell students.